Alrighty, everybody. Oh, got my eye on the skies today. Let's see. Looking down. Uh, yeah, I can see the ground from here. Yep. I personally like being in the clouds a lot. It just helps out. Alright, well, enough fun there. Yeah, let's go ahead on to. There we go. Oh, yes, I've been working on that for a while now. It I just haven't shaved in quite a while. Well, enough fun there. Uh, press that button. Oop, there it goes. Okay. Quick shave. Um, Now, what are we all here for? We're here to hear our weekly weather update. So let's go ahead and begin. Let's talk about what's out there right now. Nothing really around the Atlanta metro area. Nothing to worry about at the moment. There is some stuff. Eh, it's really, again, I hate summertime weather. Springtime weather, easy to predict. Wintertime weather, most of the time easy to predict. But summer and part of fall, just terrible. Terrible prediction weather. Right now, it's showing me that the cell right around Huntsville, Alabama, is going to come and hit us. I really cannot make a prediction on that because these arrows that point to where these storms are going are all crisscross, so all over the place there. But let's talk about our current conditions. It's fair outside, 92 degrees. I forgot to give the time. It's 9:42 at the moment. Feels like 94 still. That's pretty bad. It's already almost evening and still in the 90s. It still feels like the 90s. Tonight, chance of those scattered thunderstorms popping up somewhere around the area. 40% chance of rain at the moment. Isolated thunderstorms. Tomorrow is a possibility. 90 degrees as our high. 30% possibility for that. Tomorrow night, 65 degrees and a 10% chance of rain. Again, these winds are going to be all over the place. Anywhere from about 6 to 10 miles an hour. So some nice winds out there. Hopefully not a hot breeze, but a breeze that we all can definitely use right now. So I've already gone over tonight, Sunday, and then Sunday night. So let's talk about Monday. Monday, lots of schools going back. Pretty much all of my viewing area will be going back to school. Fulton County, back in session. That includes High Meadows. High Meadows. If any of you are watching, it's Monday, back to school for you. It's going to be sunny. Perfect day. It looks like it's not going to hit the 90s at the moment, but obviously that could change. 89 degrees, 63 are low. Tuesday and Wednesday, it's at mostly to partly cloudy skies. Uh, 89 and 88 degrees, again, lows in the mid 60s, to the upper 60s. Then we hit some thunderstorms Thursday through Saturday. It's a possibility somewhere in there. Staying in the 80s, and it looks like we'll probably still go into the 90s, but forecasting wise, not going into the 90s again, except for Sunday, and then the rest of our 10-day forecast in those wonderful 80 temperatures. Now, I also like to talk about some other things. It's mostly about weather, and today it's still going to be about weather. One moment, my radar screen here is acting up a little bit. Alright, there we go. Let's turn on this tropical waves and such. Lots of those tropical waves out there right now, including, I think this is a hurricane. One second. Don't get worried. Tropical Storm Franklin. That's going off into the North Atlantic Ocean, so don't have to worry about that. That's where the South Atlantic is. It's in the south of the Atlantic Ocean. Some tropical waves out there. We got one near that would be that's Dominican Republic. Yes, that is the Dominican Republic. I mean, I could say either Puerto Rico or Dominican Republic, and they're so close I would be right either way. But I'm pretty sure that's it's not democratic. Someone help me out with this. I know someone's going to yell at me about it. But Puerto Rico, right around that area. We got one out there, and then we have another one just out to the east of that one, and then one to the. They're just all over the place. I would suggest going to look at a satellite map, but really, one of these could get strong. We got about 4 of them out there right now, So it's heating up. And then let's go over to our friends over in the Pacific Ocean. It doesn't look like it's flagging anything, but we do have some, I wouldn't call it circulation, but it's something about, I hate how on weather maps they never put a scale. That would be 200 miles, 300 miles in between there off the coast of Mexico. So, right about there. And our friends in Texas, how are they doing? Yeah, let's check on them. Let's check on our friends in Dallas, Texas. Let's see how they're doing down there. Again, it's been hot. It has. I think I just saw some rain out over the whatchamacallit. Yeah, looks like New Mexico's getting some rain right now. I thought I noticed that earlier. I wasn't 100% sure, so I didn't bring it up. But yep, New Mexico's getting some rain, some much needed rain. Dallas, on the other hand, looks like a shower out there, but probably not even touching the ground. Nothing, most likely. That is. Air pollution watch is out for them. I would make this a trivia question, but obviously anyone could go and look it up. But tomorrow's high, lost my pen. Tomorrow's high is 105 degrees outside. Partly cloudy skies out there. 105. And we think it's hot here, or at least most of us do, think it's hot. And it has not hit 100 here in Roswell or Atlanta in almost over a month. And they've been dealing with 100-degree weather back to back to back to back. And even if I go to the monthly map, it's going to show me 100-degree temperatures all back through, most likely, all back through the month of August, and definitely back through the month of July, yeah. Anywhere going as high as 110 degrees. Just ruthless out there, you could say. So, yeah, our friends in Dallas aren't faring as well as we could be. I thank you for watching this weekly weather update, and as always, you can watch us on the, what's it called? On YouTube. YouTube, always. They're actually put in their special folder. Just go up to the search bar and type in HM Weather. It's that easy. Let's go search HM Weather. You'll find the channel, click on it, you'll see our updates. Our severe weather updates will also be posted there. We haven't had any. We haven't had any severe weather. We barely got in the shower. So, that is basically what's going on now. Also, on YouTube, sorry, I already said YouTube, on Ustream, all of our videos are recorded through Ustream, and you can visit us if you go to the top, search HM Weather. It'll be right there. There will be a picture of my face. And I think I was looking down at the camera at the time, or it may have been, but I was wearing a green shirt. This is a blue shirt. So that is how you can view us any time of day, any time of night. When severe weather hits, if it's severe enough, depending on the hour of day, we will be out there recording it with you watching. Now, obviously, I am also back in school, which means I won't be able to record during school hours, which for me are about 7:30 in the morning till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So if severe weather hits between then, won't be able to share it with you. Although I will talk about it later. Also, we hope to have these weekly weather losing my voice here. Weekly weather updates every Friday or Thursday, Friday or Saturday, so somewhere on those days, and you will be notified. And obviously, the times that I give you beforehand can be changed, such as today I had an appointment to make, which I didn't know I would be making, and I had to run, so I was not able to start till about 5:41. And so now, about 10 minutes later, I will be saying good evening, good night to you. And I hope that all of you have a nice, safe weekend, nice, safe going back to school, and just enjoy your last weekend of freedom here during the summer. So, without further ado, good evening and good night.